If you're in the lubricant industry, you know SIRIM labeling is a must. In the next minute and a half, we'll show you a smarter, easier way to stay compliant.
In the lubricant industry, compliance is everything. Every product must carry a SIRIM verified label and proof that it's correct. That's why more manufacturers are turning to OCR technology to capture and store every label's details, keeping them ready for any audit, anytime. Starting October 7, 2025, the SIRIM label will be compulsory for all engine oils sold in Malaysia, whether imported or locally produced, as proof of quality and authenticity. That means now, the time to get ready and avoid last-minute compliance rush. Our new standalone OCR applicator with vision sensor and reject system applies your SIRIM sticker precisely, scans it instantly, and stores the data for full traceability. If there's a wrong label, the built-in reject system stops the line before it leaves your factory. Purchasing a premium OCR labeling system requires a big upfront investment. With our labeling as a service rental program, you get the same high-end technology without the heavy capex. Keep your business compliant. Protect your brand. Contact sololab today to book your demo and discover how easy it is to rent and own your OCR applicator.